Hello बच्चों, the question says here, find the wavelength of electromagnetic wave of a frequency 6 into 10 raised to 12 hertz in a vacuum. Give its three application. सबसे पहले we need to highlight the key concept. Key concept यहाँ पे बता रहा है कि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव का frequency क्या है. You need to find the electromagnetic wave. What is the mean by electromagnetic wave? तो electromagnetic wave का एक spectrum होता है that is going to start from gamma rays and ends with the radio waves. Yes, and the gamma rays are having a least wavelength, that is least wavelength. Lambda is minimum and lambda is maximum for this, and gamma is having a highest frequency is maximum and frequency is minimum. तो यहाँ पे हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी दी है 6 into 10 raised to 12 हर्ट्ज इन अ वैक्यूम. तो वैक्यूम में जो फ्रीक्वेंसी दी है, यू नीड टू नो द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. V is equal to F into lambda for velocity, frequency and wavelength. Relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength, where lambda is a wavelength. So we need to find the wavelength. So wavelength, that is lambda, is equal to V by F, and as it is an electromagnetic wave, the speed will be 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second upon, what is the frequency given here, 6 into 10 raised to 12 hertz. On calculation, 3 ones are 3 twos are, this is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 4, which is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. So wavelength is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. So first answer you come to know here, the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave, and this 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 electromagnetic wave is, this belongs to infrared rays. It means this wavelength belongs to, ये wavelength कहाँ belong करती है, this wavelength belongs to infrared radiation zone. Infrared radiations, infrared radiations or infrared rays you can say here. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आपको क्लियर है कि ये रेज इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशंस है. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, इस इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशंस के थ्री एप्लीकेशंस हमें देखने हैं. तो थ्री एप्लीकेशंस फॉर इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशंस. तो व्हाट आर द थ्री एप्लीकेशंस फॉर इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशंस? वेरी फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन, to keep the planet warm for the greenhouse effect. In the greenhouse gases, you can say, in the greenhouse gases में बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट है ये. that is to keep the planet warm, to keep the planet warm. Second point here, we can use second point यहाँ पे होता है writing the ancient wall, writings of the ancient wall revealing the secrets. मतलब ancient walls पे जो लिखा हुआ है वो पढ़ने के लिए, revealing secret, writing on ancient wall, on ancient walls पे कौन सा राइटिंग है वो पढ़ने के लिए वी कैन यूज इट. थर्ड पॉइंट, वी कैन यूज इट इन द मेडिकल यूजेस. In the medical use like for the infrared radiations are the heating source, it is going to be used, वो heating के लिए काम में आता है. और to treat a high blood pressure. next, for manufacturing industries, fourth application है in the manufacturing industries, in the manufacturing industries for the plastic or for curing of the coating of plastics, and then plastic weldings में भी काम में आता है ये. तो these are the applications of infrared radiations. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.